Not all sand and gravel is ready to use straight from the ground. Clay, silt, and fine contaminants can make the raw material worthless unless you have the right machine to clean it. A mobile washing plant takes that raw feed and transforms it into clean graded aggregate on-site, continuously, and with a single operator at the controls. At the heart of the process is a vibratory screen deck. As material travels across it, high-pressure spray bars rinse the material, segregating fine material sticking to the stone and driving it down through the mesh. The dirty water and fines are collected in a catch box beneath the screen. From there, they are directed into a dewatering system, segregating the sand from the water efficiently. The wastewater goes into a settling pond and is later reused for washing. In a single pass, the plant produces multiple finished products at once, various sizes of clean gravel and washed sand, each meeting exact specification, ready for immediate use or sale. And when the work moves, so does the machine. Track-mounted and built for rapid deployment, rubble master washing plants are operational quickly in the next pit.